Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetable Amba. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the vegetable Amba. For the vegetable part, you will need 1 jalapeno pepper, half a head of cauliflower, 3 baby cucumbers, and 2 cups of baby carrots that I've just cut in half. For the Amba sauce, you will need these ingredients: half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, and for the spices you will need 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of Amba powder, which you can find at any Middle Eastern store. For today I'll be using this brand, which is called Al Khatat, and you can find that at any Middle Eastern store. And this is how your Amba should look like. Today I've served it in a beautiful falafel sandwich. So enjoy! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!